Hey you guys, it's me and my mom. We're on vacation currently, and there's this really pretty lake behind us, and it says, there's a sign that says beware of alligator, but there's a really, here look, there is a really, really pretty bird that I want to show to you guys. Here, I'm going to get a little closer so that I can get you guys a better view. It's right there. Sorry about the background noise, there's a fountain over there. Okay, I'm trying to be slow but physical for you guys, okay? It's so pretty. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer just so that it doesn't fly away. Okay, it's dangerous. You guys can't see it. It's right there. It looks a lot closer in person. So I'm going to take you guys up here with me just so that I can see if I can get a better angle for you guys. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I got a really, really good angle. Okay, I think it's zoomed out, but... it's so pretty. It's opening its mouth. I wonder if it found anything. I think it sees a fish.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
It got a fish. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so cool. It's not doing much else. It's just... it's getting more. Look. You guys, it's getting closer. It's looking at me. I'm scared. It's looking dead at me, you guys. Sorry, there's a bug. Okay, it's going back into the water. I'll keep you guys updated and show you if there's anything else cool. Okay, guys, so I kept walking, and maybe it's just me. I think this is supposed to be a bridge, but inside of the bridge, right? Oh, sorry, that's zoomed in. This is one side of the bridge. If we look under, it's right there, but then where's the other side? Like, where? This is like a little nature walk YouTube short. So I'll be posting this, and I'll show you anything else at school. So yeah. Okay, you guys. Bye. I'm gonna post one more video, maybe two, about this whole nature trail. So peace out. See you in the next video.